In 2025, thriving in cybersecurity demands 6 essential skills. Risk management and assessment is of utmost importance for every cybersecurity professional. To successfully protect an organization's data, an individual first has to identify vulnerabilities, evaluate the possibility of different types of attacks, and then measure the kind of impact these risks may have on the business operations. Securing networks forms the foundation for smoothly executing all the cybersecurity efforts. It starts with understanding how the data flows and spotting the weak points that exist in the system. Then, the experts have to configure firewalls, set up intrusion detection and prevention systems, and implement access control to prevent unauthorized users from exploiting the vulnerabilities. When a security breach occurs despite the existence of protective firewalls, quick incident response becomes critical to minimize the damage. This involves detecting strange activities and deploying containment measures. Once contained, professionals must generate necessary reports and implement the changes to prevent future incidents. For developing strong measures and systems to safeguard sensitive information, you must know how to exploit it in the first place. Ethical hacking, also known as white hacking, enables cybersecurity experts to think exactly like hackers in order to find and fix vulnerabilities before malicious individuals try to leverage them. For analyzing malware and automating security tasks, every individual must acquire fine programming and scripting skills. Languages like Python are used for scripting the scans and automated assessments. Understanding programming helps individuals spot vulnerabilities in software codes and design applications, and build well-customized safety tools accordingly. Mastering these skills allows professionals to stay ahead of the continuously evolving cyber threats. With organizations increasingly depending on cloud-based solutions to store data and manage operations, securing cloud environments has become the need of the hour. Professionals need to be well-versed with tools like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud to protect the vast amounts of data stored in the cloud.